Hello everyone, welcome back to the next sharing video on Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you a question from a student. The student asked why, when creating a new workspace, there is no data in that new workspace. I am guiding that student and I will record a video and share it with all of you as well. First, you should choose a workspace that already has complete data to use as your root workspace. Here, before you create a new workspace, you should click on these workspaces. Then you will select these three dots. You will select all the settings in here. Remove the marker, model, and order sections for me. All right. After that, you will click on these workspaces. See which workspace has complete data. Then you will use that workspace as your root workspace. So I noticed that when I click on these workspaces, I can see that these workspaces also have complete data, you see? Here, these dedicated workspaces also have complete data for the run table and for the nodes, as you can clearly see right here. All right, so now you will go to this file and then go to Options. Once that step is finished, you will need to select the root workspace. First, go into the configuration settings, then choose the drive where you intend to create this new workspace. Next, you should select the workspace that you want to set as your primary root workspace. Right here on the screen, you can see that I am selecting this workspace. Here, it is labeled as CN7S2, right here, this workspace. Right? Okay. After that, you will click on Set New Default. Okay. And click Apply. Okay? Please note that when creating a workspace, you should name the workspace after the customer. I noticed that on your computer, you seem to be naming the workspace after the product code. Creating the workspace this way does not follow the correct principles for creating a workspace, everyone. After you have selected the root workspace, now you will click on the drive where you want to create the workspace. Right-click over here, select New, then select Store, and you will create a workspace. For example, I will create a workspace named after the customer. For instance, if the customer is Azidat. When creating the workspace, make sure to turn off Vietnamese typing here. I will create the Azidat workspace. All right. After that, you will click OK. Click OK. Take a look here. Do you see the Azidat workspace? This is the Azidat workspace right here. All right. If you click it, you'll see that the data from the root workspace has already been loaded here, right? Now, what you will do is click on these three dots right here. Then please go ahead and select marker, model order, and bit for me. First, please hold down the control key on your keyboard to select all four of these items, okay? Now, looking closely at this workspace, you can see there isn't any data about the design or the diagram here just yet, right? You will need to navigate back to the PDF section, specifically to pattern design. Go to the Edit section, then over to Customize, and then select the Free Variant option. Next, go into the specific drive where you want to create this workspace, or where you have already successfully created it. Finally, simply go ahead and click on the Store button. You'll select the workspace you just created. Here, Azidat, here it is. After that, you'll select the room table, and you'll also select this note. All right, okay. Apply. Save. Okay. Got it? There you go. Now, you'll head on over to Create. You'll start incorporating some important specific details here. Go ahead and create some detail here. All right. Now, save it. Go ahead and save. Save this. Click on this detail, right-click, and hit OK. Then you'll go into this workspace to check if the detail has been added here yet. Here it is, see? It's already here. See that? That's how you create and work, and how you choose the path so that when you create a detail and save it, it will go exactly into the workspace you're working in. Benzi. If you're watching this, please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye everyone, and have a great day.